So this area is still forest. It's just about 2 kilometers from the nearest town in central Borneo. So in this long of the river, you can reach the Dayak tribe villages via this river. And in the long of the river, you can see the nature. There are some still animals around here, but not easy to find out because they are very sensitive. Usually they run and hide when they see the boat pass through this river. There are few villagers. They are still doing their own activity around this river, such as fishing and set up the fish net around this river. But unfortunately, this water, this milky water, has been contaminated of the mercury. There are some people up there in the rural place still working gold mines, and probably some of them they throw down the mercury in this river. So to eat the fish is not safe. It's not so healthy fish and also river. Hopefully they're gonna stop that activity someday. So when they get fish from this river, they're gonna sell it. Some of them they for their food. I mean, some of them they're gonna sell their own fish. Some of them they're gonna eat it. They got no choice. So local people over here, they have a very low economy, especially in this time, in the COVID-19 crisis economy. Many people ruined their own economy. It's not easy for them, but as long as there are nature, so they can at least survive the food. So this area considered as the secondary grounds of the jungle because many time people cut down the big trees around here long time ago, and it will take time to regrow the jungle. But luckily the big companies, they are not reaching in this area. So we get still chance to protect this area, preserve the animals around here. And we need more people to do that. So these fruits, in the local language, we call this kalopu. Its young leaves and the fruits, you can use it as medicine. You can boil water, make it as a tea and drink it up. But before that, you have to filter that. And to clean up your kidney. And also its function also to increase your immunity. So I'm glad to find we can still find this kind of fruits around the river. You see the young rattans over there, the dry roots over there. In the end of this kind of plant, you can find the shoot and you can eat the shoot. It's quite sweet and a bit salt, but it's good for your stomach also, because not only to heal the hunger, but you can heal your own gastritis. It's according to the local knowledge about the herbs. This one, The old one you can use as, you know, to tie something, you know, rope, as the rope in the jungle. Wow, it's hornbill bird noise. I think it's coming from that tree. The hornbill noise. Hornbill bird. They usually on the big trees and tall trees to making their own nest. On the hollow trees. As you see here, there are still a lot of nature, but on the midday like this, they rarely show up because it's too hot for the birds and monkeys. Thank you very much. Still support my channel and watching my videos. I'm here in the central of Borneo, Kalimantan, Indonesia. See you in the next video.